Okay, today we'll actually start with material management configuration, but let's have a look at the material master first. Material, uh, general
अच्छा
image.
वली साहब आपने सर्वर लिंक मुझे नहीं भेजा जहाँ पे मैं प्रैक्टिस कर सकूं।
Okay, industry sector, let's pick any random industry over here. Mechanical engineering, material type is raw material or any finished good. Let's finish product. Okay, select views, basic data. We won't go into much more detail right now because we don't have any organizational units as of now. We'll make that. 615 is the material number. Okay. YKK, 6 zips, 10 mm. Base unit of measure each. Material group can be, material group, we'll be configuring this as well. Okay. Material group can have various material types. So material group can be, for example, this is YKK. So material group will be responsible for YKK zips, raw material, semi-finished good, finished good. Okay. So material group can have material, it can be dealing with multiple material types. Gross weight, 1 kg, net weight, 1 kg. And basic data, it will carry many more additional details. Okay. And product group type, product group, we can add our product groups for much more details. Let's save it. Material 615 was created. So what do we actually, let's go and see this material display. Okay. So what are the fields that were involved? Unit of measure, weight, name, description, division, um, material group. We have other fields as well. So the purpose here is that we will be configuring the back end of these. And for this, of course, there is a number range as well. Okay. And base unit of measure will have its own configuration. Material groups will be configured. Okay. For organization levels, for what are organization levels? Company code, plant, storage location, location of the plant. These are the organizational levels and units. So let's go back, and this was the material master. So there will be some necessary configuration, baseline configuration we'll do, and that is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and we will go for enterprise structure first, definition, financial accounting, because you have to define a company code and a plant. So you have to go through financial accounting because financial accounting is the backbone for reporting. Yeah. Company code, edit company code data. So new entries. Now this is our T72, T72Y, or let's say T72 YKK group, EXP Dubai, country region AE, currency AED, language will be English. Save country region AE. Because this is mandatory with a star, that's why I'm actually filling this up. And I'll fill this up as well. T72 YKK group. T72 YKK group. Okay, new request. T72 SAP MM. Okay, now this is created T72. Next is company code is made. Okay. In definition part, we will go for logistics and we will create a plant. Now, what is valuation level and plant? It's the same thing. Okay. It's no difference, it's the same thing. Now, what is valuation? Valuation is, of course, putting a value to your material as per the plant location. Find plant, new entries, T72, T72 YKK. Okay, T72 YKK, save. We will repeat these information so that we can easily search for these terms. T72. Okay, define location of the plant. New entries. Sure, I'll do that. We are creating company code, we are creating organizational units, so we can use these in material master and in purchase process, plant T72. So each plant will have its location. T72 YKK short. Okay, so this is the location for the plant. Now, plant is a place or a unit where either material is stored or manufactured. Say, now we have created company code, plant and location. Okay, 3 units have been made. And we are actually saving this in this node. I will show the node as well. Division. Now, what is division? Division is basically your business vertical, business niche. Like, for example, it has jeans here, spare parts, okay, servo oil. This is a good category division. Books, okay, formulation. This is a good one, okay. So Honda Active, this can be a good division also. New entries, since we are into zips, YKK zips, okay. So we will do Y1, which is YKK zips, then Y2, YKK zips, tags, okay, and so on. We can have more divisions, but we'll just keep 2, save. Okay, now divisions are made. Next step is sales and distribution. Sales org. As we created a company code in financial accounting, we will also create a sales organization because this is also related with MM. Sales org that will also carry the same code, which is T72 YKK sales org T72. Statistics currency is AED, plant is T72. We don't have purchase organization yet, and no storage location, and we'll save it. Okay. And we are saving in this one. Okay. This is our node, central node where all configuration will be stored as a repository. Okay. Okay. So letter header text YKK zips file. Okay, YKK, and you can add anything like YKK www.ykk.com. Okay, save. This will actually go into the sales order. Okay. So when you actually share this with your customer, it will be displayed over there. Okay. Now, distribution channel. Now, distribution channel is just like your division distribution channel. New entries. Y1. YKK zips. 10 mm. Y2. YKK zips. Tags. Save. Okay, this is good. Sales office. This is also important. Now, sales office can be your geographical locations. New entries. Let's say YSFJ. Sharjah YKK. YDXP. YYKK. Okay. So you have two offices, so two addresses will be there. Okay. This is done. Sales office is done. Maintain sales group. Now, sales group. Let's not go into much more complicated details. Sales and distribution material management. Maintain storage location. Plant is T72. Based on plant, you will be configuring your storage locations. SFJ, Sharjah. Let's keep one plant, one location. Okay. Maintain purchase organization, an important unit in your purchase cycle. T70, T72, YKK, purchase org, save. Okay, purchase org is maintained. Okay. Now, next part is after definition is assignment. We actually integrate. We integrate plant with company code. Important. So that we can connect our organizational units. New entries. T72 and T72 is the same company YKK. Okay. Save. Now your plant will be reporting to the company code. That's how it is. That's how the hierarchy is. Sales and distribution, assign sales org to company code. Now company code sits at the top. Okay, someone else is also using this. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Distribution channels. Sales org is T72. Distribution channel is Y1. Y2. Okay. Oh, no. Y2, T72, Y2. Okay. Yeah. So we are integrating sales org with distribution channel with business vertical. Now, what will this business vertical dictate? Under this sales organization, this distribution channel will sell 10 zips and bags zips. And under this, of course, this will be reflected in the books. And it will be easier to report what part of the product was actually sold. Assign division. Division, we actually made this under plant. Okay. New entries, T72. Division was Y1. Okay. T72 and Y2. Zips bags. Yeah. So distribution channel and division are now synchronized. So it will be easier to sell and make your sales orders. Okay, set up sales area, which is a combination of sales org, distribution channel, division, all at one place. Okay, sales org T72, distribution channel Y1, division Y1, T72, Y2, Y2. Okay, that's how you actually integrate it. Okay, assign sales office to sales area. Now, new entries, which is a combination of sales org T72, distribution channel Y1, division is Y1, sales office is YSJ. Okay, T72, Y2, 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 YDXP. Save. Okay, sales group. We haven't made sales group. Assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Now we are assigning and synchronizing sales org with plant also using distribution channels. Sales org T72 distribution channel Y1. Okay. And plant is T72, T72 and Y2 and T72. Save and save. Fair enough? No. In material management, assign purchase all to company code. Now we are actually making a rich hierarchy so that T72, T72. Okay. Save. Save. Assign purchase all to plant. New entries, these P72, P72. Okay. Save purchase organization is also connected with plant. Okay. So we have actually defined and assigned the units. Now let's go into a little bit more details, more deeper. Okay, logistics, material master, configuring. Define structure of data screens. Now, what are data screens? If you remember MM03, okay, 615, select views, basic data. Okay, now over here we have our product EA F1. I'll press F1 over here. It will show me the details, base unit of measure. I will go into technical details. This is the button for technical details. And over here we have table Mara and mines, field name. Program name is this and screen number is 404. Okay, 4004. So I will define the structure for data screens for each screen sequence. Industry standard sequence. Okay. Subscreens. Subscreens. Okay, view data screen. Over here, I can default my fields for data entry whenever I use my screens. But since our screen is 4004, for that, we'll have to actually go for that screen 0. This is 07, we'll have to go for 404. Screen sequence 40. Okay, 103. Subscreen number. Over here, if I go again, F1. Screen number 4004. This subscreen. Screen number. Okay, we only have till 07. For some reason, it's not showing. Okay, over here, I can again default my screens as per my requirement, business requirement. I can make some fields mandatory and some fields optional. Okay. Anyways, I will just make an exit from here. Assign secondary screens. Okay. Next come is basic settings. Define output format for material numbers. 18. And over here, the template can be like, for example, T72 and material type is ROH, which is raw material, and then number. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. 11. Okay, leading zeros, and we can save this. Okay, so this is how you can display your material numbers. Make global settings. Global settings like document types, we can change that, and some material configuration can be done from here, like that your reference materials can be used for making and extending more materials using these references. Okay, maintain company codes for material management. T72 2024, and this is the current period, which is 06. Period end 00 is in the past. Okay, allow back posting and disallow back posting generally. Save. Save. Okay. We'll have to actually configure the fiscal year variant as well. Material types. Let's stop over here for today. I guess this is more than enough.